జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత సెకండ్ చాప్టర్ సాంఖ్యయోగం 46th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ హిజ్ టీచింగ్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma says, "Ho Arjuna, imagine if there is full of water in the pond. One person goes there. If he is thirsty, he would take the water from the pond so that he would quench his thirst. He would not care about the rest of the water. He would take only that much of water by which he would be able to quench his thirst. So also other people, if somebody wants to take bath, he would take only that much of water and he would not care about the rest of the water. So also Vedas is like a huge pile of recommendations, prescriptions of rituals for different fruits, different means of rituals is prescribed in Vedas. Now, what is your goal? What is your need? You want to get your Atma Sakshatkaram. So that is your goal. For that, to attain that goal, whatever is mentioned in Vedas, whatever the activities are mentioned in Vedas, only that much you have to take and start practicing those activities, start observing those activities. You don't have to take the entire scripture Veda into consideration. You take whatever is needed, and so those activities helps you improve your sattvika gunam, by which you will be able to attain your goal, which is Atma Sakshatkaram. That is how you need to look into Vedas. You just take whatever is needed, and the rest of the Vedic prescriptions are not needed to you. You don't have to worry about that. You just be reluctant about all the rest of Vedas and all the rest of Vedic prescriptions. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma encouraging all of us to take only those activities from Vedas which will help us improve our Sattvika Gunam, by which we will be able to attain Atma Sakshatkaram. Having this Krishna Paramatma's Upadesam running in our thoughts, let us now repeat the sloka. Yavanardha udapane sarvataha samplutodake tavan sarveshu vedeshu ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.